Hello traders, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is June the 5th and the chart of the day for today is USD Yen. 60 minutes time frame. We can see right here we are anticipating a move down below 146.28 and we finished W here, X here. So now within the Y leg down, within the Y leg is going to be ABC. Remember, the subdivision of the Y leg needs to be a 3 waves, and the A leg here is in the form of a 5 waves. So we have 1 of A, 2 of A. So now going down to finish 3, 4, 5, and that will be ending A leg of the Y. So we will continue to favor more downside. If we zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, focusing on the WX, here is our WX. So notice a couple of things first. Let's zoom out all the way. All right, here we go. So you notice here that from this peak back in July 2024, we got a lower low sequence, right? And so that's a bearish sequence, a lower low. And if you measure the target lower using the Fibonacci extension, 100% extension should go to at least around 136. We have not reached it. That means it still remains bearish as long as we have not reached 136.6, right? Secondly, you notice here this leg up here, this is the last low we got, right? That's really in the last significant low that we got. The rally here, that one looks corrective, right? It doesn't look like an impulse or anything like that. So this is actually just a simple WXY here. This is ABC, this is another ABC. You measure in the extension, WXY, and then you notice it reversed perfect 100% extension reverse. That's just a classic case of a corrective pattern, 100% reverse, right? No extension whatsoever on the third leg. So now from here, so we know this is still a bearish market because we have a bearish sequence from 2024 peak, and the rally from this low was corrective. Okay, now the thing is this: we know it is a bearish market, yes, but in order to confirm that the next bearish leg really has started to resume lower, now we do need to break below this one. Until then, from technical point of view, you cannot completely say, you cannot completely rule out with certainty we cannot do this. We could, because we have not broken below here, but it is less likely. It is less likely. Okay, now if we take a look at this structure here, our primary view is calling for more downside. Now at the least, guys, you got this low and this low. If we can break this W low, I think even just breaking below here is enough. If we break below this low here, which is not really that far away, that will create a short-term bearish sequence, lower low, right? That will open up 100% extension if we can break below the low, which it looks like because this one looks impulsive. Then targeting 140. Now, if we can break below this low, it makes it much more likely to break below this low as well. And then you go to the higher time frame. Breaking below W will open up yet another lower low bearish sequence again. This time is from here. Now, if it breaks below this low, which is this with one low, then it will create a lower low bearish sequence from here, aiming for 140 like what we saw before. But breaking below this low make it much more likely to break below this low as well, because we go to 140, it's going to break below 142, right? And then when we break below 142, it will then create another bearish sequence, this time from May 2025. So then you will have 2 degrees of a bearish sequence in the shorter cycle by breaking below this low and breaking below this low. Now that is a short-term degree bearish sequence. Now the long-term bearish sequence is going to resume and it's going to be confirmed when we do break below this low. Then that means we're going to be looking to resume the bearish sequence that started from here, started from July 2024. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. Here is our website. If you want to see elliottwave.com, this 14 days trial, we have only 99 cents for new members only. If you want to get more ideas about our plan and subscription, you can go here, plans and pricing, and get more information about the different plans we have. And then if you do want to learn more about Elliott Wave and you're not ready to subscribe for the plan, because this one is basically in the actual forecast, but if you just want to learn first about Elliott Wave, then you can check out our educational courses to see if you need to see anything that is going to help you out over here. Okay, now I'm going to provide the direct link of all this in the description of the video, and I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.